Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the baseline. Make sure you're on Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise and that updates are current because Home lacks full RDP host support. Once done, enable Remote Desktop in Settings System Remote Desktop and note the PC name. Next, open Windows Defender Firewall and allow Remote Desktop, TCP 3389, inbound for private and public as needed. These steps let your machine accept connections and expose the key settings we'll troubleshoot next. Now you dig into the network and login path. Run ipconfig/all to find the host IP and ensure the adapter is set to a private network so discovery and firewall rules apply. Make sure the user account is allowed under remote desktop users and that it has a password. Windows blocks blank passwords for RDP. From the client, use MSDSC and connect to the IP first, then try the PC name. If one works and the other doesn't, you likely have DNS, port forwarding, or NAT issues to resolve. Finish by restarting the remote desktop services or rebooting the host to clear stuck sessions and apply config. Inspect Event Viewer under Applications and Services, logs Microsoft Windows Terminal Services for specific errors if it still fails. For internet access, set a router port forward for TCP 3389, or, better, use a VPN or remote desktop gateway to avoid exposing RDP directly. If problems persist, temporarily disable third-party firewall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.